How does art therapy work? Art therapy engages the mind, body, and spirit in the ways that are distinct from verbal articulation. As you may have heard, a picture paints 1,000 words. This reflects the powerful effect that the art and creative expression can have on human understanding and communication. Art therapy works to harness that power of expression for therapeutic means. To simplify this further, sometimes it's hard for us to explain how we feel, and that's when we think words aren't enough. We literally run out of words to explain the emotion that we are feeling. By exploring various forms of art, people tend to open up in a new artistic way, which helps them to go deeper within themselves and access the subconscious mind and release the negative emotions that was once suppressed or forgotten, and thus letting go of some unhelpful thoughts and self-destructing beliefs, which is also often a root cause of some pain, diseases, and critical illnesses. Come join us in our next art therapy workshop or retreat and free your mind. I hope to see you there.